Good morning, folks. This is Pinpoints Patterns here. It's 24th of July, early morning here in the UK, and we're looking at the German DAX. You can see we completed these patterns. There's 3 drives to a top pattern completed, also a butterfly, and that's also completed the Gartley of the February high, big sell-off. So we've got 3 patterns completing right in this zone. It's also, we're coming into a seasonally weak time. Now all it might be is just a little back off like we did here, another little back off, 135, then we start higher. That's a possibility. But when you see so many patterns complete, there is this one larger ABCD which comes in up another 550, 600 points or so from where we are now. There's a possibility we could get up there. In fact, I think on the weekly we're just about up. This is what we call a high test bar, shooting star. Candles shot right up, reversing down. So it's potentially looking. I mean, this is an ABCD pattern. If you look at this, if you just zoom in on this 4-hour chart, this is. Before we do, that's another ABCD right here. Look, hey, that's coming up here as well. So there's a lot of things telling us that this was going to be a potential high. Now, if this is bullish, all it should do is this. There's your ABCD to the downside. You can see we hit it once, we've bounced, not gone anywhere, and now this is. I mean, this is the futures market. It's early in the morning here. See, all we've done is this now. If we hold this and start higher, so the key to this, folks, is your point B, isn't it? This is where the trends potentially changed. So you've got your bigger patterns completing on your daily, and then you've got the that's telling us this is a place it's going to reverse. This is the area it started down now. So. Your 60, there's your ABCD on your 60, but this point B here, this is what we call the this is the level that's defining the current uptrend. It's making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, higher highs, higher lows. So point B was a higher low at this point until we've made point C, which is the first lower high for a while. We had one over here, we had an ABCD here, but then you can see we rallied quite strongly. And once we take out point C, that was telling us, and we do the higher low once we started higher. So point B is key. Any move back above point C is probably telling us the uptrend's still on. So if you have gone short, lock in above point C now is my strategy, and then wait and see what happens. That's so any move back above 13,200 is telling us that it's probably that's the high there, isn't it? 13,200. So any move back above 13,220 is telling us that the uptrend's carrying on for a bit longer or whatever. So that's what I'm seeing. If I look at some of the other markets quickly, the Dow. This is the Dow, and you can see we had quite a sharp sell-off up in the morning. Futures market. Then when the cash market opened, it was just down. The cash market opened here 2:30, and we basically a few little rallies here. Then overnight, we're coming down. The potential for a double bottom. I mean, if you look at this just blow this up a little bit. See, we made the double top. So it's a double top on the Dow, and then it's been sort of straight down, but there is support down here. It's whether it can support or not, we'll have to wait and see. But so that's what I'm seeing in the Dow. So all it could do was 382 off that, but that is an ABCD structure. we've come back and supported on it. This has got a chance, but coming into a seasonally weak time of year as well, so that could be a factor going forward. And of course we've had a decent run, haven't we? This rally's been some rally, hasn't it? When you think of the sell-off, nobody expected a rally of this magnitude. So we'll have to wait and see if we zoom in on this, see where we are. So we take the last swing low. There, we're right up to 382 now. So if this is bullish, that's probably all we'll do. What did we do last? We did 50% last time, 618 the time before, and now it's a 382. So I'm probably going to get a 382 off everything, off the low down here. I would guess. Take that low to the high. Your 382 on that comes in around about 12.7. That'd be just a normal correction, wouldn't it? So that's the actual profit target I'm looking at from the short trade I took back along, which is currently locked to break even. I think it's locked about 20 pips in on that. So see, let that run and see what unfolds. So okay, folks, hope this helps. It's early days, of course, and we've got to be aware there's an ABCD in a strong trending bull run, so be aware of that. But also be aware of the bigger time frame patterns, and this could be some sort of a more major top. We don't know. It's early days, but that's what I'm seeing in the markets this morning. So take care, trade safely, have a lovely weekend, and speak to you again soon. Bye for now.